रूठे ख्वाबों को मना लेंगे, कटी पतंगों को थामेंगे, है जज्बा सुलझा लेंगे उलझे रिश्तों का मांझा, 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 सोई तकदीरें जगा देंगे.
After Rock On, Chetan approached us and he sent me his book and asked me if I would be interested in writing it. And once I read the book, I saw great potential in it. I saw a great story, very simply told, very interesting characters, and I saw an opportunity here to tell a story about main India, middle class India, the real India as I see it. And I didn't think too much beyond that. I just immersed myself into it. The book goes into many directions. It goes into politics, cricket, a love story, riots, a lot of things. It's quite an epic story, but when you convert it into a screenplay, you have to choose one main theme. You got to keep it tighter, closer, and so I picked friendship as a theme because I thought that was the centrifugal force of the film. So yeah, I would call it a friendship drama.
सोई तकदीरें जगा देंगे, कल को अंबर भी झुका देंगे, है जज्बा.
This is a film about three friends and we are all incomplete without each other. And खुशी की बात यह है कि हम ऑफ स्क्रीन भी बहुत ही एक्चुअली तीन भाइयों दोस्तों की तरह हैं, लड़ते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, एक दूसरे की बात पे हम लोग हाँ में हाँ भी नहीं मिलाते. तो ये बहुत प्यारा सा बॉन्ड हम सब में बन रहा है.
Once I started work on it, I realized that it is much deeper and heavier than I envisaged. I thought it would be much easier to do, but adapting a book for a screenplay is very different from writing an original screenplay. And once I started getting into it, it started to unravel itself, And in the process, I ended up taking out stuff from the book and putting new stuff in. And when you put new stuff in, then it has a ripple effect on the entire, in its entirety. And then you have to restructure it, rewrite it. So I had to do a lot of drafts for it. And it just took me a while to get to that. Ishan, ready? Use only your right hand. Kya mat bol. It's coming out of some serious guilt. Kya mat bol. Hold it. Let him call you a bluff. It's calling a bluff. If you're speaking the truth, tu kya nahi bolega?
So I had always loved the script, and seeing Gattu's work in Rock On, I realized that Rock On was actually a much smaller story as compared to Kai Po Che. And if with Rock On, Gattu could create a film like what he did, I could only imagine what Gattu would do to a Kai Po Che script.
Sean, just wrap it around your arm. Oh, by the time we touch, you can just go there. So you get that one. Like from this, you can take from the moment he does that. You're talking. Kya kar raha hai? And the moment you just turn, and you're from here. You can go. Kya kar raha hai? Kya kar raha hai?
एक्चुअली फिल्म की सोल जो है ना वो कहानी है और वो एक दोस्ती है जो इन तीन दोस्तों के बीच में जिस तरह ये एक दूसरे के बिना अधूरे हैं, कितने विपरीत हैं उसके बावजूद भी कितने साथ हैं. आई थिंक वो सोल इस फिल्म का.
Friendship is so real that I don't think I have seen such real friendship in Indian cinema. It's very rare that we have seen such friendship. So the characters, the friendship is very real, and that's the soul of the film.
So this is a film about the youth, the real youth of this country, which is looking at dreaming big, and they're looking at actually attaining something in life. And how the friendship of these three friends actually helps them get through anything, whether it is external circumstances or whether it is internal fights between them. It's actually their friendship that sees them through.
Your proper commentary. And people should react to the match going on. जो था ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. ये ओवर एक्साइटेड है. तो ये तो मतलब लपक के जा रहा है. वो उसके पीछे मैच करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. गोविंद वैसे ही करना, ज्यादा मत करना उससे. Taking. वैसे ही करना. I didn't want to end up making a film about one leading man and two flunkies. You know? It had to be well balanced because these three characters are very clearly defined in my head, and I wanted them to be friends. You know, there should not be anything else, no other vibe in the movie other than friendship, and they should be equals.
He has started slurring. कैसे करेंगे? कौन शुरुआत करेंगे? शुरुआत करेंगे.
Although they have very distinct personalities, but there should be an equality amongst them. And I think I also somehow, by taking new people and fresh actors, and these three boys are fabulous. You know, just the energy and the dynamics and the chemistry between them is so fresh and real that I probably wouldn't have got that with the stars, because stars may bring an audience with them, but they also bring some baggage, you know, of expectancy of what kind of, and also people have an image of what kind of work they've done. But with these three guys, I could just mold them the way I wanted to.
ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची ज़मीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है.
सबसे ज़्यादा फुटेज हमसे मिल रहा है. मेकिंग के लीड है हम लोग.
The three friends, one is Ishan. Ishan is a failed cricketer. He has a lot of angst and he can't come to terms with his failure because he believes he was the best.
ये मेरा जो कैरेक्टर है ईशान का, क्रिकेटर है, इम्पल्सिव है, बहुत ही ट्रांसपेरेंट है, जैसा अंदर है वैसा बाहर है, बिल्कुल हिपोक्रेट नहीं. वैसे लोग कम होते हैं जो बिल्कुल दिल के साफ होते हैं. तो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर और करने में बहुत मज़ा आएगा.
You know what you do, Ishan? Close, no, this is just the atmosphere. I'm going to take a video close. You're flying in, he's like, I'll go on the close, and then the chair you turn around, I'll get another cut of you when you turn around, and then you do this. It looked really nice.
Background action and action!
Ninety 90% ऑफ द टाइम पिछले 4 महीने से ईशान के बारे में ही सोच रहा हूँ. ऐसा लग रहा है कि आजकल मैं ईशान की तरह ही सोचने लगा. कुछ ऐसा है नहीं कि इस तरीके से हो या उस तरीके से हो, जस्ट सोचते सोचते हो गया. मैं अगर अपने 40% सोच रहा हूँ कि यहाँ भी बोलते रहे, मैं 60% यही सोच रहा हूँ कि मना कर देगा. उसके डैड के सामने से मना कर दिया तो मेरा गेम गया.
वो जो तू उसको देखता है वो इवेसिव है, नो, दैट मिस्ट्री विल गेट यू. अगर तू आमने सामने आके उसको बोलेगा तो ही विल ट्राई.
गोविंद पटेल, पूरा कैरेक्टर बताऊं. 24 साल का हूं मैं, बिजनेस करना चाहता हूं. बहुत बार ट्राई किया है, कुछ हो नहीं पाया है. कोशिश कर रहे हैं कुछ हो जाए. स्पोर्ट्स की दुकान खोली है अभी हमने अहमदाबाद में, बलरामपुर में. बंदा दौड़ेगा हमारा पूरे बलरामपुर में. घर की हालत ज़्यादा ठीक नहीं है. माँ और मैं हैं. माँ थेपले बनाती है, खाकर बनाती है, सब बेचती है. ये 2 दोस्त हैं, ईशान, अमी. इनको भी साथ लेके चल रहा हूँ कि कुछ करें ज़िंदगी में. बहुत कुछ करना है लाइफ में. तो ये एक छोटी सी उसकी शुरुआत है.
Govind is the smartest of the lot. You know, he's the most ambitious because he's probably the poorest from of the three of them, and he is a typical Gujarati boy. You know, and Gujaratis, as I understand it, they don't like to work for other people. They want to do their own dhanda. You know, and entrepreneurship is most prevalent and most active and fired up in Gujaratis, and he stands for that. And he wants to take his business higher and further, and he knows that he can't do it without the help of these 2 boys.
कैसे कमाएंगे पता? कैसे कमाएंगे बोल तू? राजकुमार is just outstanding, just watching you. राजकुमार को सिर्फ कभी-कभी मेरा सीन नहीं होता है, मैं सिर्फ बैठ के उसको ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ, देखता हूँ उसके शॉट्स. बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्टर है राजकुमार. has this ease. सीन करते हैं वो लगता ही नहीं एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं.
Hey, what's up, brother? हाँ, वो सबकी to be or not to be, that is the question. With this novel in the mind to suffer the pain and the arrows of outrageous fortune. अच्छा जोर नहीं है, शॉट में पीछे हट जाओ सब.
ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय. ओम पंचवक्ताय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्रः प्रचोदयात्. ओम नमः शिवाय.
नहीं ये और नीचे सीधा ऐसे ये आया फिर आंखें खुली और ये योगा.
Well, Omi is Omkar Shastri. He is a priest का बेटा है. आरती मंदिर में आरती करते हुए बड़ा हुआ है. सूर्य नमस्कार करता है. फिर दिन में लफंटन भी करता है. लोगों के साथ घूमता है अपने दोस्तों के साथ. शाम को फिर मंदिर में कहीं जलेबी और रबड़ी बांटता रहो. फिर रात में कहीं कीर्तन पे पहुंच जाता है. Omi in this film has a beautiful graph. किस तरह एक he doesn't have any sense of direction, तो वो direction अपने दोस्तों से ढूंढता है. ईशान, गोविंद उसको बैलेंस करते हैं.
I try something instead of saying this छोड़ना यार, मुझे थोड़ा लग रहा है अनऑर्गेनिक यार, क्योंकि मैं जो होता है ना भाई नहीं मैं तेरा
वो भाई नहीं वो लास्ट है उसमें. I want to give you a chance to look you in the eye.
कोई नहीं सब भागेगा.
So he's just this raw energy. एक भोला लड़का है जिसमें इतनी एनर्जी है कि अगर उसको डायरेक्शन मिल जाए तो वो कुछ भी चेंज कर सकता है जीवन में. पर उसके पास अभी डायरेक्शन मिली नहीं है. एंड देन उसका एक अपना एक इमोशनल टर्मोइल है. फिर उसकी कहानी में आप जब देखेंगे जो चीज़ें होती हैं, कैसी परिस्थितियाँ आती हैं और दोस्ती के बीच में क्या होता है, हालात कैसे हो जाते हैं और फिर वो कैसे उसमें इमर्ज करता है. You know, and it's also a story of redemption.
Omi's character is not like it is in the book. His character is completely freshly written, and Omi has the most interesting graph as an actor because he has a change in personality. And if you see him in the film, every scene there is a change in his personality and there's a growth. Whereas the other two are the same. You know, they events happen to them and they react accordingly, but they pretty much are on the same track. But Omi changes drastically and dramatically through the course of the film, and he's a totally different person by the end of it. And I think his was also a very challenging part, and Amit's done a great job at it.
I was excited from the moment that I got the script, and I don't think I chose the script chose me. I was very lucky that it came my way and that Gattu felt that I would fit the role. I mean, there was no question of me deciding whether I wanted to do it or not. It was an immediate yes for me, and I'm just really lucky that you know, Gattu was like, that's my Vidya. कैरेक्टर्स नेम इज़ विद्या, पर वो बहुत ही अच्छी मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से आती है. शी इज़ नॉट अ क्रेजी ड्रगी एंड शी इज़ अ वेरी फन character that brings in the color into the film. She's a fresh breath of air, and she comes in and she sort of, I see her as something that just brings in color and fun and energy.
Amrita Puri is the only female lead in the film, and she has many facets to her personality. Vidya is a sister, she's a girlfriend, she's a daughter, she's a friend, and she's also a mother. You know, and I think Vidya and Govind's track is pretty much from the book. You know, because when I read the book, I found their relationship very interesting. but it was a challenging part, and you know, she stood up to the challenge, and I'm very happy with the way she's performed.
That's how it is.
गर्मी है तो पसीने सुखाए हैं। एक्चुअली मैं हटके फिल्म नहीं करता हूँ, मैं हमेशा सामने होकर फिल्म करता हूँ। अगर हटके करूँगा तो फ्रेम से बाहर हो जाऊँगा। तो मैं हटके कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
You're so funny, Raj.
अगर चीज़ें नहीं लेंगे तो मैं हिल जाऊँगा थोड़ा।
We need to be interesting when we are rolling.
We are the leads. We are the leads of making now.
और वहाँ पे गट्टू दिख रही है, वो है गट्टू। He is the director of काय पोछे, और यही है जिन्होंने नेशनल अवार्ड जीता था रॉक ऑन फिल्म के लिए। जैसे आप देख रहे हैं वो अभी वो अपने क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस में है और थॉट्स में है।
मैं यहाँ का चिलर।
Please see his intense, serious creative process.
What is my interest?
मैं बहुत डरा हुआ था और मुश्किल एक्चुअली नहीं हुआ क्योंकि हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं गट्टू सर अभिषेक कपूर, I think the kind of precision and clarity he had for my character and even for the film is so, his vision was so clear that all I think I had to do was go and submit myself.
The best experience I've had with the director so far has been with Gattu. You come to the table with A and B, or director के तौर से he'll get you towards C, D, E and F, you know, and push you. तो it was fantastic talking to him, interacting with him कि ऐसे करें या वैसे करें, नहीं ऐसे ट्राई करना और मुझे लगता है कि वैसे ट्राई करो। और there was a lot of give and take, and I think it's shown सभी के performances में you can see that.
In his words, which he uses often, he is super.
He is amazing.
He's super. He's like a brother to me.
Oh, I think we all love him. He is, I think he's a master craftsman. He knows his characters, he knows his work so clear, so well, that there's not even one confusion on set, not even for a day, for a minute, for a second. He was very clear. And as a director, I think, as an actor, what I want from my director is faith, is trust, which he has given us completely. He never interfered in my scenes, in my performance, that no, I want you to do it this way or that way, just do it this way, what I'm telling you. We were so free as an actor that then you feel responsible also, that okay, he's giving us so much faith, we have to return it, we have to give him back. So that's all I want from a director, faith, and he's given me complete freedom.
And action.
Also, I remember once I got some cramp in my leg and I had to do some running sequence, and there was some light issue. Cameraman was like, DOP was like, light ja rahi hai. But he halted the shoot. He came to me, he gave me half an hour massage, and he asked me, are you able to do it? Can you do it? I said, yeah, I can do it. And then we began the shoot again. So I think that love is very rare in a director. Everybody wants to shoot, everyone says, ठीक है, हो जाएगा, कर दे. But I think that was like something which really touched me.
When something has taken me 2.5, 3 years of writing, I've lived with that material for a while, and it's very important to me. And now this 2-3 months of shoot, after 3 years of work, is the most crucial part. You know, and there is no excuses. I don't think one can, after you shot the film, you can't look back and explain to anybody why this didn't work out. And whatever it takes at that point, I mean, you know, if I have to fight with someone or beg someone, steal, borrow, plead, I mean, whatever it takes. But on that particular day, I will do the best I can, the best of my ability to get it right.
शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई
Superman.